I'm Toby, and this is Sea Life of our babies this morning. They're just getting so cute. They're feathering in a little better. And look here, Mr. Rooster. He wants to get in here with them. But he's a little too big. I'm afraid he'd pick on him. I'm just afraid he might pick on him. Here's some of our bigger chicks, but they've been very kind to him so far, to the other ones. And they're just so cute with all their little stripes and colorings and feathers on their feet. Yes, they've got some feathers. I didn't think all of them had feathers, but I think all of them do. Now this morning I've noticed that most of them have the little feathers on their feet. They are starting to learn how to use the big feeder, and they don't leave their food in their bowl. They just turn it over and pick it off of the ground. But they're so cute. Here's Mama Hen over here. She'd like to get in with them too. But that's not their mama. She'd probably pick on them. So we're not letting her in. While Daniel's over there mowing that lawn, he's borrowed a zero-turn lawn mower, and he's just mowing. I wanted to show y'all these gorgeous flowers. Oh my goodness. They have just got the most beautiful color. And she's got a bunch of them here. They're just so pretty. So pretty. Gorgeous, beautiful flowers. She's got a whole little batch of them. This is a beautiful little backyard. And here's some more. This happens to be my favorite colors. This hot pink. Ooh, such a beautiful color. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. There goes Daniel on that lawnmower. There he goes. He's just loving that thing. He's just loving it. Well, our sheep were just laying down on the job a little too much, so we had to do something.
Just to start this, you gotta actually put on your seatbelt. The brake has to be engaged, right? So there, and then you put on the, that actually drops the deck, so you put your foot on it. Brake, the steering control, then you can bring your steering wheel up here.
He's gonna load it up now on the trailer. So I told him to just give you guys an idea of what how to use the zero-turn lawnmower, and he's got it figured out. We're gonna have to clean this one up when we get it back. And he's just parking it up here on the trailer. So that we can go lock it down and go get the truck and take it on back where it came from. Now here's how you, yeah, it's got, oh, better put the brake on, hun. Somehow. Oh, yeah, uh-oh.
There is no brake.
I guess you need just some rocks or something.
There's no real brake.
Something to keep it up on there with.
called straps.
Oh.
But I could lower the front of this and it might actually be better. And that way I can adjust it a little.
Well, I guess we'll have to work with it later when you actually get the truck and get ready. So tell them about how to do it again, how to operate it.
Oh, so the steering controls have to be forward, so it unlocks the controls. Because if you try to do it with it on, you lift these up, it shuts off the machine. So, but you got to have these up in order for them to work. But you know, when you want to go forward, you just push forward on both of them. And then to turn to the left, you pull back on the left one. To turn right, you pull back on the right one. And if you want to go backwards, you pull back on both of them.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Getting ready to go now. On back to our friend's house.